केचिदाहुरजं जातं पुण्यश्लोकस्य कीर्तये यदोः प्रियस्यान्ववाये मलयस्येव चन्दनम् अपरे वसुदेवस्य देवक्यां याचितोऽभ्यगात् अजस्त्वमस्य क्षेमाय वधाय च सुरद्विषाम्. In these two beautiful shlokas, Kunti Maharani is giving many reasons for Krishna's appearance in this world. Why did Krishna take birth as the son of Devaki and Vasudeva in this mortal world? Kunti Maharani comes up with so many reasons. First she says, Kechidahur ajam jatam punya shlokasya kirtaye. Ajam jatam, although Krishna is unborn, he has appeared, he took birth in this world for several reasons, and the first reason is punya shlokasya kirtaye, to glorify great devotees, to increase the influence of great devotees. Another name of Krishna is Prabhave Sarva Sattvatam. He likes to expand the glories and influence of his devotees. He likes to see his devotees more glorious than himself. He likes to glorify his devotees than he takes glories for himself. So Punya Shlokasya Kirtaya means Krishna wants to see his devotees glorified. Second reason, Yadoho Priyasya Anvavaye means Yadu Maharaj is also a very great devotee of Krishna, and Yadu desired that Krishna appears in his own dynasty. So because of his affection towards Yadu Maharaj, Krishna appeared in Yadu dynasty. That is another reason, second reason for Krishna's appearance. An example is given to describe this second reason. Malayasya iva chandanam. Just like chandana or sandalwood trees grow in Malaya hills area, Lord Krishna appeared in Yadu dynasty. So that is a beautiful comparison given here. So the first reason is to expand the influence of great devotees. Second reason is to please Yadu Maharaj. And the third reason, apare vasudevasya devakyam yachito bhyagat. This is the third reason. Vasudeva and Devaki, Yachito, they begged Krishna, Krishna, can you please become our child? We want to show our Vatsalya affection towards you. So to fulfill their desire, to address their desire, Krishna appeared as their son, Devakyam Yachito Bhyagat. To please Vasudeva and Devaki, Krishna appeared. That is the third reason. Next, fourth reason, Ajastvam Asya Kshemaya. Krishna also appeared to cause welfare and prosperity towards great devotees and demigods in specific. Ajastvam Asya Kshemaya, for the prosperity of Devatas, Krishna appeared. In fact, all the Devatas headed by Brahma went to the Supreme Lord and offered prayers. So many demons are overburdening Mother Earth. Please descend. So then Krishna descended in response to the desires of his devotees, including the Devatas. Then, Vadhaya cha Suradvisham, the fifth reason for Krishna's appearance is to annihilate the miscreants who are called Suradvisham. They envy Devatas, they envy righteous people, they envy even devotees, they cause so many troubles to them. So, to punish them and even to kill them if required, so Krishna descends in this world. So, these are various reasons for Krishna's descent into this mortal world. So, ultimately, Krishna appears in this world to perform various pastimes, to please his devotees and to kill miscreants, and ultimately to create a subject matter for the discussion of all of us. So we need to discuss about Krishna's pastimes. For that, Krishna has to come into this world and perform so many pastimes so that we can discuss those pastimes and come closer to Krishna, develop our love for Krishna, and eventually go back to Krishna. So by his merciful descent, Krishna creates a lot of subject matter for our discussion. That is his mercy. And thus, Krishna reclaims all of us back to his spiritual world. Hare Krishna.
Devotional programs, please watch Hare Krishna television. To get this channel, please contact your cable or DTH operator. For more information, please call 8767 845 845.